Welcome back to A Taste of Cake. I'm back with another cooking video, and today I'll be making some curry coconut shrimp. Stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using to prepare this dish is 2 12-ounce packets of medium-sized shrimp, half a cup of water, 1 habanero pepper, 1/4 each of green, red, yellow, as well as orange bell peppers, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, half of a small white onion, which I did dice, 2 to 3 sprigs of thyme, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, half a can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon curry powder, Creole seasoning, as well as salt and pepper for taste. To clean the shrimp, I did remove the tail as well as the shell, and I also deveined it. I rinsed it under cool water, then pat dry. I'm going to lightly season it with some Creole seasoning, salt, as well as black pepper. To a saute pan that has been heated, I'm going to add the coconut oil. Once the coconut oil has got nice and hot, I'm going to add the diced onion as well as the minced garlic. I'm going to continue to stir and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. After cooking the onion and minced garlic for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add in the curry powder as well as turmeric. I'm going to stir the pot, and I'm going to continue stirring just so that the curry powder as well as the turmeric do not have a chance to burn. After the 5 minutes have passed, I'm going to add the coconut milk, thyme, half a cup of water, 1 habanero pepper, as well as the multicolored bell peppers. I'm going to cover with the lid and allow this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, I do give it a quick check to see if the water level is where I want it to be. I cover and I allow it to finish cooking for the 10 to 15 minutes. Now that the 15 to 20 minutes have passed, I remove the lid, and as you can see, the liquid has started to reduce. I'm going to remove the habanero pepper and add the shrimp. Remember, the shrimp does not take a long time to cook. I'll allow this to boil in this liquid for about 3 to 5 minutes the most. This is after 2 minutes of the shrimp cooking. I'm going to give it a quick stir, place the lid on the pot, and allow the shrimp to cook for about 3 minutes on high. Now this is the finished product of the curry coconut shrimp. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I prepared this dish with. At this time, if you've made it to this part of the video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to share with your friends and family to help the channel grow. Once again, thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.